Here is a quick tip to help improve the stability of your Wi-Fi connections. Wi-Fi channel interference occurs when two or more close-by devices use the same overlapping Wi-Fi channels. To address the issue, it is recommended to change the channel of your router to a less crowded one. Start by downloading Apple Airport Utility from the App Store. Next, go into Settings, Airport Utility and enable the Wi-Fi scanner option. Now start the Airport Utility and start the Wi-Fi scan. Airport Utility will display the names of available Wi-Fi networks together with the channels they use. Try to identify Wi-Fi networks that are using the same channel. After you have identified conflicts, log on to your Wi-Fi router and select a channel that is not used by other nearby networks. Alternatively, select the Auto option and set a time interval so that the router will automatically try to select a free channel more frequently.